Hello everyone and welcome to EDUC 2301. I'm Mrs. Meeks, your professor for the course, and I just want to give you a quick overview of the way the course is laid out. I know that you've gotten started looking at it, and so I just wanted to share with you how it's laid out and also talk a little bit about the field experience. So on the first page are announcements, and I will be sending at least weekly announcements, possibly more, so it's very important that you check those. Sometimes they'll be emailed to you, sometimes not, so always come to this page daily. And then the next tab over to the left is the syllabus course, and this goes through with our syllabus, which is here that you can download. Just know that things could change along the way, just with everything going on. So if I do have to make any changes, I will let you know and be sure to post that. I am not expecting to make changes, but if needed, I will let you know. This is where the video will be housed for you to watch. And then the Getting Started tab is where you're headed for the first weeks to just look at the way things are set up to get access to Cengage. This is a resource that you can use. No grades will be taken from Cengage, but it's an awesome supplement, especially since our course is online and we won't be meeting. It's a great way to get more information. And also along the side is the weekly assignments. This will be where I post, once again, your textbook again or Cengage access, your weekly assignments here, and you'll just click on the week, open it up, and then you will see it's set out in the 5E model. It's just a way that you can teach your students. And so we have an engage, explore with the chapter objectives, PowerPoints that you can use to take notes on. This is your assignments here. And then along the side also is the field experience tab, which is another very, very important one that you will want to look at. It has the different information for field experience, and since many schools are either closed and working virtually, or lots of schools are not allowing guests and visitors into the school, there is an option to do it virtually. And so you can do these videos for your hours. So it's 16 hours and you can watch 16 hours of these videos. Also, because of the changes, Form A and Form B look a little bit different. So if you can fill those out, they're Google Forms. And then Form C is attached here, and it's a log that you will follow and fill out as you're watching the videos. And so just real quickly, Form A, you'll click out to the link. Form A and Form B look very similar, but just have some different information to it. And then these are the links for you to watch. And then this is Form C. This is what you'll fill out as you watch. It's just a log that you will complete as you're watching your videos for your hours. The next tab is a discussion board that you will have if you have any questions you can put here, and some of your assignments will be in discussion board, instructor information, my grades, and things like that. So really overall, make sure that you're daily checking announcements. You can look at the syllabus to get downloaded and prepared, the Getting Started tab to get ready for an online course. Weekly assignments is where everything will be housed for your assignments that are due. And then the Field Experience tab is where you'll find the videos for you to do your field experience. Please, please, please reach out to me if you have any questions at all. And I am here to help. You can email me at any time and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And please let me know if you need any clarification on anything. I'm here. I'm here for us to do this together. So let me know if you need anything. Thank you so much.